Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, your door's heavy.
Yeah,
solid.
With the doors.
Yeah, really solid. Are these, what size are those? That's pretty nice. Small.
6.5.
6.5, okay.
Yeah,
6.5 and an 8.
10-inch mid base.
Very nice.
My doors are work in progress. They can't keep up with the base too well. But,
Yeah. I like this. And you built this yourself, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, I changed a little bit. I think you got this thing maybe sundown last year. Right?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Changed the port around a little bit, added more power. So.
So could you tell me your name and what's in here like I don't know?
Yeah, it's Matt Bryson. I've got 6 ZV6 18s and a 6 order. 22 on the bottom, 44 up top. Each sub is about, right now I increased the volume about 4.4 cubes per sub right now.
Okay.
Biggest thing that's helped me overall is adjusting the front port.
Oh, shrinking it a little or rounding it over or adding on?
Adding roundovers, adding the bottom port, increase the wind like tremendously.
Just by a little bit of port, isn't that crazy?
It makes a lot of difference.
With your amount of cone area it does, yeah. What is your specs on it, your top and bottom end, do you know that?
Yeah, of course the bottom's 4.4 per sub. It's a little bit of maybe 1 or 1.2 ratio. Okay. Being it's a smaller truck, it's still an Expedition. Yeah. But it's still got a smaller area I got to work with.
Yes, sir. I really like it. What's your SPL score on it?
I do a 63, starting at 38. I do a 60 at 26, and almost a 60 at 20. So it does pretty good on the low end.
I like the bracings you added. It helped, I'm sure.
Yeah. And my goal with the 6 order was to be able to play both windows down.
Without it falling off?
Yeah. For a while I had to roll that door up.
Yeah.
I was just smashing the door to pieces.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. How much lithium is in here?
It's a 135
135 you said? Yeah.
Which can barely keep up.
Yeah. And you've actually fit this much subwoofer cone area in this space, which was really hard to do, I'm sure.
It's the 3rd baffle I had to put in here to get it right.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I remember, did you have a little sub out here?
I did, yeah.
You did,
I had a triangle shape.
Yes.
But the loading wasn't quite right. I like them in a row, so one amp is going this way and another amp's going that way.
Okay. So you did actually change the whole baffle in this build? Wow, okay.
Well, one thing that is pretty cool, custom voice coil temp sensor in the bass knob.
It's tracking it in the bass knob. That is really good.
That's cool.
Everybody always mentions that.
Technology's improving.
They want to smoke on me, the dollars is choking me, the pussy is potpourri, these bitches is always 3, and I fuck with this shit, man. Bossy in the wind, out in the smoke, we drunk, tossing 80 with, pull up if it's smoke. the story. I run it the way. They're talking, I'm taking their head. I did not come here to make it a friend. You burn the friendship, don't make it a man. They don't want none. I said it again. They don't want none. I pray for their sin.
It's crazy the amount of pressure the wind is blowing.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Yeah, this front port area was everything in this building.
Yeah. Nice job. I like this, man. This is a nice job, man. Nice to meet you. Your name?
Matt.
Matt.
Yes, sir.
Matt from Team Sundown Audio. Awesome.
Good to see you, man. Enjoy your
You
day.
too. Yes, sir. You too. Stay warm. Well, it's actually going to be a pretty nice day out.
Yeah,